Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, this is Meherun. I think this line I've said so many times by now. I think you all know me by now, don't you? And does this look require any kind of introduction? I think this look was pretty quite self-explanatory, isn't it? So I have taken an inspiration from a brilliant makeup artist. I'm going to put all his description down here. His name is Michelle. He is here on Instagram. He's just 19 years old guy, and the kind of makeup look that he creates, it's unbelievably good. So I really wanted to give him a shout out, and so I have taken some inspiration from his work and created this look right here. So this is like halo, cut crease, very dramatic, in your face kind of makeup. Okay, obviously definitely out of my comfort zone, and this is my first time trying it, and I think these days so many people are into cut creases and halo eyes, so I just wanted to give it to you guys. Yeah, and of course I am wearing a very bougie dress with it because this look calls for it, you know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. I'm really sorry guys, my neck is sprained. I've got a really bad cut on my arm, and yeah, we just have to roll with it. So please excuse if I am not being as happy as I always do in my videos. So without further delay, let's move on to the tutorial. Before you go there, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time. So as you guys can see, I have already done my base and my brows. So sorry, my monitor is there, so I'm constantly looking down there. So now what I'm gonna do is I will start by prepping my eyelids. For that I'm taking this, my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and this synthetic brush. What I will do is I will take the eyeshadow primer at the back of my hand and pick it up with the synthetic brush, and then I will apply it evenly all over my lid. I'll take my beauty blender, just blend it in. So I think today I'm gonna show you guys one eye, otherwise this will be a million-year long video. So now I'm taking my Urban Decay palette. This is the Ultimate Basics palette, and I have taken this shade right here to set that eye primer that we have laid on our eyelid. And now I will take this shadow right here on a pencil, not a pencil brush, it's like this domed kind of brush. This is my Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease brush 231. I'm gonna coat that brush and apply it on and above my crease in a round shape kind of a thing. So I have brought out this palette. So I will be using this shade on and above the crease to blend out this line here. So I think the trick here is to use a really light hand with your brush and your hands, and go really lightly and then slowly and with patience you build this up. So next what we will do is we will take some concealer and a synthetic brush, take the little bit of concealer at the back of my hand, and then I will start cutting my crease. So now, as this is a concealer, I would like to set this concealer a little bit with the same powder that we used to set our eye primer in the first round. So now what I will do is I'll take a little bit of this color and this color on this brush. This is Morphe E17, and apply it on the outer corner and the inner corner of our mobile lid. Now I'll take some glitter glue. This is my two-faced glitter glue, and on a synthetic brush, and apply it where we did not apply anything on our top lid, which is the middle portion of our eyes. And then I will take this Inglot pigment. Looks like this. It's, I think, number 22. And I will mix this in with this Inglot Duraline. And on a very small definer brush, I will mix these two at the back of my hand and dab it on top of that glitter glue. Now what we will do is we will use the same two colors which we used initially to put it here. So now we will just intensify a little bit the outer and the inner corner so that it blends in well with this. Just to intensify it a little bit more, I will come back with this color from which we used in our crease the first time and apply it right the very outer corner and the very inner corner. So this is like a gradients of shades going on in there. You need a really fluffy brush like this, Zoeva 224. So now I will be using a mixture of this vibrant, it is called Blindsided. I will use this color and a little bit mixed with this purple, slightly feathering these two out into this metallic color. So I'm coming back and forth with that darker blue and this light blue to create that shade effect. As this is looking a little more bronzy to my liking, I will take another Inglot pigment. This is this one, and this number is 118. So I will take a tiny bit of this and just dab it here, just to give it a little bit more silvery sparkliness to the eye, just intensifying the other colors in the inner and the outer corner. Now to take that whole look to another level, I am using this Urban Decay High Metal Glitter. This is in the shade Glam Rock. And with this, what I will do is I will just apply it right on the crease and slightly feather it in downwards. I will apply my falsies and I will finish off the rest of my face, and then we will come back and do the lower lash together. I'm sorry, I'm not being able to look up, guys. I'm sorry. Now, to finish off the lower lash line, first I'm taking this L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon on my waterline. Smudge out that eye kohl. I'll take that same color on a pencil brush, very close to the lash line. This shade. I want the lash root to be a little bit more dark. So for that I will use a flat top brush and this dark blue color. Very close to my lash root, I will go in with it. Like so. To highlight underneath my brows, I'm sorry guys, my eyes are watering now. I'm using this highlighter, and I will use the same highlight to highlight my inner corners. So first I am using my Urban Decay 1993 lip liner to fill in and line my lips. Then on top of, I am going with a concoction. Of course, if you guys know me, I always mix in lipsticks. So these are the two NYX lip lingerie. First I'm going in with the shade Beauty Mark, and then on top I'm going up with the shade Push Up. That is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this dramatic kind of look, which is really not my cup of tea. But yeah, I really like the way the look has turned out. Until next time.